So how should a kid be properly educated if they're diagnosed with ADHD?
I think the first thing is when there's a diagnosis of ADHD, a couple of different professionals are usually involved, ideally. The psychiatrist or the pediatrician, because that's the medication element. For ADHD, medication actually is the first line approach to managing ADHD, just because there's a chemical difference.
Balance, yeah.
Yes, and so the medication helps, manage that part. But medication alone is not the answer. We always say pills don't teach skills. The other professional that sometimes is involved is the psychologist, the educational psychologist, because there's testing to see where are the learning issues, because learning issues do come hand in hand with ADHD many times. So if we can understand what the learning issues are, then the support can be there. Sometimes there's also the emotional side, like anxiety, depression. So that's where the therapy comes in as well, and coaching on the executive function. So for school, it is quite common to have what we call accommodations. So for exams, sometimes the extra time so that they can process it better. Sometimes it's doing the exam in a different room, so there's less distractions. And for some kids, they have dysgraphia, like the writing issues. So they're allowed to type the answers. So these are some of the accommodations.